Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. Also give me that thumbs up. I'll share this video with others. It'll also make me really happy and put a big smile on my face. Today I am going to be talking to you about my three favorite EV stocks. We're going to start off by talking about Nio. Nio had two pieces of big information that came out that really was acting as a big catalyst for its stock and shooting its price of the stock very high today, which was very nice to see, and we'll definitely talk about that. The other stock we're going to be talking about is Cciv or Lucid. There's not a lot of news about it, but we're just going to talk about it just to complete the day. And the last, we're going to talk about Tesla. Tesla had a big reveal today, which we'll talk about that and its price of its stock going forward. I think you're going to like this video, and let's check it out. Starting with Nio. Nio is currently trading at $45.68. It's had an amazing run up. Let me zoom in on this just so you can see. This stock has been doing fantastic in the past 1 month. In the past 1 month, we've had a 35% increase with a low of $31 back on May 13th. And now we're finishing off this week at $45.68. We've had a very positive growth of 35% in the past month. In the past week, we've also been up almost 10%, and this is because of a lot of the catalysts that we're going to talk about why. Let's jump in and see why. So the main reason why Nio stock is moving higher today is because of two main reasons. The first is that the Nio founder and CEO, William Li, shared some great update news today with the world, and it is that Nio is building its second factory. It has confirmed it's using a Chinese state-owned automaker called JAG that builds the Nio vehicles. So Nio actually does not own the vehicle production company. However, it is a Chinese-based company, and it is a state-run automaker, which is great news because they can produce more of their vehicles. Currently, Nio is producing about 10,000 vehicles per month with its current factories. Now, this new factory that's going to be built in Q3 of next year of 2022, it should be completed. That will double their production of vehicles made. Moving forward, this stock is going to be amazing, and it's going to have amazing growth, just because they can shoot out and pump up these Nio vehicles that they have. So that was very, very good news. And I did want to share this vehicle with you right here. This is the ES8. If you're not familiar with Nio, it is their premier luxury 7-seater SUV. And this is going to be the one that is going to be produced and mass-produced in Europe. And the second piece of news that I wanted to share with you is that Nio will be moving to Nio Norway starting in September, which is going to be Q3 of this year. And it's going to be starting to deliver this vehicle, the ES8. Nio was recently approved by the European license company to allow Nio, a Chinese-based company, to sell vehicles in all the countries that are in the European Union. This is fantastic news, guys, because Nio is going global. This is huge for the stock because the stock has currently only been seeing its revenue and its vehicle production in China, but now it's going to extend to Europe. So we're looking at another doubling of the current earnings and revenue that we have. Nio has secured a key European whole vehicle type approval, which is the EWVTA for the electric 7-seater sports utility vehicle, the ES8, paving the way to officially launch the model in Norway and the European market at large. Like I mentioned, now they can sell in all the EU countries. And this is big because they can have mass production and they can also have their license plate registration with this vehicle model, the ES8. Next year, launching their premium electric vehicle sedan, the ET7, which will be the rival of the Model S. And the Model S is the other big piece of information that I wanted to tell you about, because Tesla has just released today its new Model S Plaid version, and that's the next big news that I wanted to talk to you about. So Elon Musk demonstrated the new Tesla Model S and the Plaid version, and this vehicle is fantastic. It's selling for $130,000. Its informatics system, the computer system, is a PS5 performance level according to Elon Musk. And here you can see there's a little video that, let me zoom into that they're actually playing a video game in the Tesla Model S, and the graphics look great. If you do get a chance to watch this, I think you'll really enjoy it. But they are playing the Cyberpunk video game, the 2077 Cyberpunk video game in the Tesla Model S. And as you can see, this is the picture. They do have their own video controllers that are Tesla-based that will work on their new informatics system. In the announcement today, Elon Musk discussed the Tesla Model S, the Plaid version, which is extremely fast. As you know, Tesla Model S used to have ludicrous speed based on his favorite movie, Spaceballs. Well, now he is continuing that Spaceball theme, and this vehicle will be called the Model S Plaid version. This will be the fastest production vehicle made, with a 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds at 1.9 seconds. It's amazingly fast. It will have over 120 horsepower. Its battery range will extend 390 miles. And this is going to be a monster of a vehicle. And I can't wait until I'm able to sit in one and hopefully test drive one. But this vehicle is amazing. I think Tesla did a great job. Let's see how its stock compared. And here we can see that Tesla stock really didn't move all that much. If anything, it went down actually a little bit, but it didn't go below that 600 mark. The lowest that it got today was about $602. And so pretty much it had a stable day. Going back in the past week, Tesla has increased its stock price by 3% in the past week, but overall the past month, it's been pretty much kind of trading sideways, I would say. We did have a couple times that we did break below the 600 mark, which was in early May. However, since in June, we've always been pretty much above the $600 mark. If you do get a chance to get in at below $600, I think it's a great chance to either add to your stock. If you don't have a position in it, to buy a couple of shares in Tesla, if you can get it under $600, I think it's a great deal for you to get. The last stock I wanted to talk to you about is CCIV. CCIV over the past month has had a nice growth of 41%, but remember it had a big fall from February 13th. It was at its highest of $64.86. And we've had a huge loss of this stock. From the biggest drop was 70%. And since the past month, however, we have seen a little bit of a recovery. We've had a 41% increase in its stock, which went as low as $17.25 back in May 13th. And as you can see, it's been it tested the $26 mark, but it looks like this is our ceiling at this point. Now, over the past week, it looks like the CCIV Lucid stock did try to go under $25, but looks like that was its base. And every time it came near the $25 mark, it just seemed to pop up. So it looks like that the buyers, if they see it going below 25, it looks like they're reacting by buying some. This is still a speculative play, in my opinion, just because CCIV Lucid has not produced any vehicles yet. They have their vehicle out there. They are doing a really great job, in my opinion, on advertising this vehicle, but we have not seen any deliveries or productions of these vehicles yet. Lucid will be making its first, the Lucid Air Dream Edition, which all reservations have already been filled. They're going to be limiting these vehicles for this year to about 500, and they're going to be all accounted for. Next year, Lucid does expect to produce 20,000 of the Lucid Air models. That 9,000 of those have already been reserved and accounted for. So we just need to see Lucid start producing it. In the next few weeks, Lucid CCIV will also be merging. The new ticker will become Lucid, which will be LCID. I think once that happens, we'll get some catalysts to move the stock up. But once these deliveries start happening, I think Lucid CCIV will definitely move up. I think we just need to push past the $20, $27 mark. But it looks like that's its ceiling. But it looks like right now the base is trading around $25, and hopefully we can stick with that. There are a lot of shorts on CCIV, but we'll just have to see where it goes. Now, the last I did want to talk about is some price predictions. So the Nio price prediction is what we're going to be talking about next. Currently, Nio is trading at $45.68. It looks like it's the year 2021 at the end of the year. It should have a really nice 62% upside, and it should be running around $74. In my opinion, I think it's going to be closer to $80. I would not be surprised even if it touched possibly that $100 mark, especially when we start seeing the Nio Norway start rolling out and that sales start happening in Europe. And I think these are big catalysts that will definitely put that in there. By the end of 2022, it looks like we're running about $87, about $88 price prediction. In the year 2025, it looks like we're running about $180 per share, which is almost a 300% price prediction. And if we go out 10 years, if you hold Nio for 10 years, analysts currently are expecting a 529% increase, or a stock price of $287. I definitely think that these are obtainable. I really think that these predictions are on the conservative side. I actually think it could be a little bit higher. The reason for that is these price predictions, they do not include the new news that Nio just came out with, that they're building another factory, that they're going to double essentially their production of their vehicles, which is going to generate more of their revenue. Remember, Nio is a brand that has been very well established in China, and they're trying to go globally. They have fantastic customer service, a very great vehicle, and I'm really excited about Nio, and hopefully it'll come to the United States soon. Looking at other price predictions, looking at the price prediction for CCIV, currently it's trading at $25. As I mentioned, that it's running around its base right now. 1 year from now, if we get all these vehicles rolling out, analysts are projecting that their 1 year forecast will be $44, and its 5 year forecast is about $128. We'll definitely have to see how CCIV or Lucid does. I think the big thing is once they get merged and the company changes names and they start producing some of their vehicles, I think we'll definitely see this stock pop. Right now, we just need to break that ceiling of about $27, and hopefully then we can retest and then hopefully break the $30 mark, $35 mark. After we get around that $35 mark, I'll definitely feel more comfortable about this stock. But I do think that it does have a potential. It does have the highest risk, in my opinion, out of these three stocks. So please be careful when you do trade. And the last price prediction I would like to give you is for Tesla. my favorite company, along with Nio. And this is from ARK Invests, which is Kathy Wood's investment company. And in my opinion, they give one of the best target prices of Tesla. And they give the expected value, a bear case, and a bull case. So in a bear case, let's talk about that first. In the year 2025, which is just 4 years from now, ARK Invests believe that there is a 25% probability that Tesla could be worth $1,500 by this date, 2025. In a bull case, they do believe that Tesla could reach $4,000 per share, and they are about 25% confident. But where their most confidence comes from is their expected value in the year 2025. They do expect Tesla stock price to be $300 in the year 2025, which is just 4 years away. And they're using the Monte Carlo analysis to achieve this. And basically what that means is an exponential growth of production of its vehicles. And Tesla's on a really great track to do that, because they just are opening the Gigafactory in Berlin. They're working on the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, and those are going to produce massive amounts of vehicles, and you're going to see massive amounts of sales. And don't also forget that Tesla has big revenue with its energy production, energy storage, its solar panels, its subscription-based autonomous driving that will be a big revenue generator. So I definitely think that Tesla has a bright future ahead of itself. Out of all these stocks, I do really like Nio, as I think right now we're getting a really good price in it, and it has very big legs to grow and to run fast, and it's going to get that higher price quicker, in my opinion. I think the second best long term is going to be a toss-up between, I mean, I really do like Tesla, but it is having a really high stock price. So I do have good plans for CCIV Lucid, but it still has that gray area of, will they get the production numbers? Will they get all these numbers out? Will they produce 20,000 vehicles next year, as they have said? And these are all things we just have to wait and see. But I think getting in at these prices, especially if you were able to get in below $20, I think you're doing great with CCIV. But all these stocks are great, and I think they have great things in the future to come. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching again. Please give me that thumbs up. What it does is it shares this video with others. Also hit that subscribe button. You'll be really helping me out. And hit that notification bell so you can get all my videos whenever I make new ones. Please share this video with your friends and your family so we can spread my channel to others. I really appreciate everything and all your support, and for watching this video. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Until next time. Also, down below, I put in 2 links. If you want to help out the channel, the first link is for Webull. If you click on that link, deposit $100, you'll get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,825. Also, using Coinbase, if you deposit $100, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thanks for helping out.